Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add the subscribe animation to your YouTube videos. First thing I'll be showing you guys on this video is where you can download this subscribe animation from. That's the first thing I'll show you guys. And then the second thing that I'll be showing you guys on this video is how you can edit the subscribe animation video that you downloaded into your own video that you want to post on YouTube. And I'll be doing this with Capcut. Please, if you have any question at the end of this video, just drop it on the comment section. I will definitely reply once I see it. And also, do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected because I post a whole lot of tips. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, the first thing you want to do when trying to download your subscribe animation is to go to this website called pizzabay.com. If you can't see it clearly on this video, then all you just have to do, check the description of this my YouTube video. You see the website there. So once you get to the website, just search for subscribe. Search for subscribe, and then you see this place that is saying all images. Change it to videos, and that's it. You see a whole lot of subscribe animations. And please, some of these videos are actually not free on this website, but they are free ones. So I'll show you how to get the free one. So all you have to do is select the one that you like, and then you just have to look for the one that is free. Because sometimes some are not free. Okay, this one is free. The way you know that it's free is because you can see the download button. If you are not seeing this download button and they are showing you dollar signs or stuff related to money, then it's not free. Just look for another one. This one is actually free, but I don't like it. So I'm going to show you guys another one that I think is preferable. This one. This one is also free. You can see the subscribe animation. So if you see the one you like, just click on the download and download the highest quality. Either this or this. I'm going to download this. Once you've downloaded it, then that's it for that. You already have your subscribe animation, and then now you have to put it on your video. All right, when it comes to adding that animation video that you just downloaded into your own video with CapCut, first thing you have to do is just import your own video. So I'm going to actually import any video just to test this out. All right, let me just use this one. Import the video and then drag it down here. Then the second thing you're going to do now is import the animation video. I'm actually going to import my own video. This is the animation video. So what you're going to do, you have to put it right on top of this video. That's what is called overlaid. You have to put it on top. See that? You put it on top of it. And then you adjust it to the exact place that you want it to be. Let me say I want it to be at the beginning. I'll put it here in the beginning. And once it's playing, you will notice that there is this green color surrounding the whole animation. So to remove that, just click on remove bg, then click on chroma key. Once you click on that, then just come over here. You see that once you click it, just go to the green and then tap it. Once you tap it, you see that it's showing green here. Just increase the intensity and then arrange this animation on your video. So I will first of all start by reducing the size of the animation, and then I'll position it at the middle. So that's how you arrange your animation in your video. Then you can also increase the length. Okay, this one can't increase the length, but you can reduce the length. You can see that. You can reduce the length of the video, and then you can leave it at the normal length of the video. Now let's play it and see how that look like. So you can see that now. So that's how it's done. So let's say you want to put it at the end of your video, at the end of this video, you just have to move it to the end of the video. And then when the video is playing, it's going to play at the end of the video. You can see that playing perfectly. So that's just how that is done. And please always make sure that you have a subscribe animation on your page. It's very important because a whole lot of people, they like seeing things like that, and it reminds them to subscribe to your channel. So that's it for that. Thanks for watching, and do remember to smash that subscribe button so you stay connected to my channel, because I do post a lot of tips and a lot of tutorials. And also at the end of this video, you are going to see some similar videos, and you're also going to see some of my playlists. So you can just watch that and learn more, because we learn every day. All right, so I'll see you guys on my next video.